Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video every single day. Alright, today we're going to continue to talk about skincare mistake, and we are going to focus on cleanser. I'm going to share with you the 5 major mistakes on using cleanser. So let's get started today's video. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel is focused 90% on skincare and beauty, 10% lifestyle. Now, let's get to know me a little bit more.
So much.
How
I've been
do you
filming,
look like this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. This is, so I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit is after your toner, and you can put a couple drops, press on the skin, it balances, it renews the skin, make your skin even more radiant. As you can see, I have over 27 years experience in cosmetics. That's the reason why you want to subscribe my YouTube channel over here, because I can provide the best skincare tip and recommend you the best skincare product. Cleanser also means face wash, and it's something that we should be doing at least 2 to 3 times a day. However, majority of the people only do it once a day or even less than that. So I want to share with you 5 major mistake that when you are washing your face. Are you ready for this? Make sure you get your pen and paper, write this down. This is gonna help you, okay? So are you ready? Let's go. Mistake number 1, selecting the wrong cleanser for your skin condition and type. There are so many different cleansers out there. For example, there's a gel cleanser, cleansing milk, cleansing oil, cleansing balm, cleansing liquid gel, foaming cleanser. There's so many, right? You can't use all of them in one time, so it's very important that you need to figure out which cleanser is designed for your skin and what do you want to achieve for your skin. One thing I want to share with you, cleanser is not a makeup remover, meaning that cleanser will not remove your sunblock. It will not remove your foundations. Forget about the mascara and eyeshadow. You need an eye makeup remover. So please don't think that one cleanser can do everything. Makeup is a completely separate subject, okay? Makeup, you need to use something else. We can talk about that. If you want to know how to remove the makeup properly, leave a comment below. I can make a video for you. So, number 1, like I say, selecting the right cleanser. Because if you don't, you're not going to get a result that you want. Skincare, it's very tricky, but yet easy, because it's all about what do you want to see change, what is your skin concern today. Then based on that, you select your right cleanser. I'll give you a quick example right now. If you have a dry and sensitive skin, you want to avoid foaming cleanser, cleansing balm. Basically anything will aggravate your skin. You want to avoid that because you're dry and sensitive. The cleanser you should be using is cleansing milk. Are you ready for number 2 mistake? Number 2 mistake is not wash your hand. Oh my god, I feel like this is going to be on my every single video for skincare mistake. If you don't wash your hand, you are really using cleanser to wash your hand, rather wash your face. And what am I talking about? Your hand touch a lot of unknown stuff. I'm going to give you something very gross. After this, you always want to wash your hand. Okay? Any store outside that your hand is required to touch the door. Do you know how many germs on there? Imagine right before you touch the door handle, there was homeless touching that door. But you didn't know that. So now you touch the door the homeless touch, and then you don't know what's on their hand that transferred to the handle. Now you touch. So those things on your hand. That's why, we always want to wash our hand, right? So it's very important you have to wash your hand. And the best way to do it, you want to spend at least 60 seconds to wash your hand before you wash your cleanser. If you don't believe me, I challenge you to do this right now. if you have any foaming cleanser at home, don't wash your hand. Go ahead, use the foaming cleanser. See how much foam can you create. Try it. You're not going to create much foam. However, if you wash your hand first, then you use your foaming cleanser, it's like creating quadruple amount of foam because your hand is clean. The cleanser is not to wash your hand anymore. See? Always, always wash your hand. What are you waiting for? Go wash your hand. Number 3, this is so crucial. The biggest mistake that people do is they just you put cleanser on your hand. You went ahead to massage your face right away with the cleanser. You need to wet your face first. You really want to make sure that the water is entire your face. Let it sit for 10 seconds. Really, really wet the face. Because if you're not using the water to wet the face first, the cleanser won't be easy to cleanse the face. One thing about cleanser, it's not so much the cleanser or the wet the face. It's how much you massage your face. You only have one face. This face is gonna stay with you for a very long time. So if you are being doing very rough all the time on your skin gonna age faster. Yep, I say that. If you want to age faster, go ahead to be rough on the skin. If you want to delay aging process, you want to be gentle. So that's why wet your face first before you wash your face. It's very crucial. If you want to take it to the next level, you can get a warm towel with water. After you wet the face, let the warm towel sit on your skin for a little bit. Really relaxes you. And this way, when you wash your face, you can get even better experience. Step number 4. Raise your hand if you only take 30 seconds to wash your face. Bad. You have to spend at least 1 to 2 minutes to wash your face. How do you determine that? If you have a dry and sensitive skin, 1 minute is okay. If you have an oily skin, you can up to 2 minutes. The reason why is, once again, when you are dry and sensitive, the last thing you want to do is a lot of movement on the skin that can create more activation, that can create more blood circulation. It could lead to sensitivity. And if you have an oily skin, oil is very thick on the face, right? So you really want to massage. Take about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, especially working on the nose area to help to cleanse it, to break that oil and lift the oil out. Very, very important. So now, take minutes or 2 minutes to wash your face. If you like this video so far, leave a comment below, say you like it, so I know you like it. It's very important you comment and you like my video, so this way I know I'm making the right video for you. Mistake number 5 that most of the people do is you wash your face and you wash around your eye area, the thing really, really rough. Do not do that, because this part of your skin is very delicate, very, very sensitive. Most of the cleanser is not designed for around the eye area. Eye area should really reserve for using eye makeup remover. Unless you use oil, okay? Any foaming cleanser, you don't want to do that. So you really want to make sure that you really avoid the eye area as you cleanse your face. And then be gentle, like I said earlier. And the movement should be always going upward, not downward, unless you want to age faster. I know I'm terrible telling you this right now, but let me tell you this. If you're doing this all the time, you'll speed up the aging process. If you're doing this way, upward, you will reduce the aging process. So there you have. There's a 5 mistake of using cleanser. I really hope you like this skincare mistake series. Yesterday, I released a 10 mistake of using face sheet mask. I got really good feedback, and I got people messaging me asking a lot of questions right now. So I think I'm in the right directions on this. And I also noticed that a lot of bloggers have been doing that. So I'm not trying to do exactly the same thing they are talking about. And so I'm going to give you a different point of view. So I hope this really, really helped you. Let me know if you want to see more video about skincare mistake, and leave a comment below. Let me know what mistake you are worried about and what concerns or what products. Just leave it below, and then I can make the video for you guys, okay? I want to say thank you so much for watching my video every day. Once again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release the video. Of course, check out my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. and I will see you guys later. Bye!
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.